think that's something that I should, fudge. Oh my god, guys, I'm bleeding. Okay, time out. I'm gonna go get a band-aid. For this portion of the video, or this separate video, I'm going to show you how I'm attaching the straps. So I did the first side just to make sure that this is how I want to do it. Let me do like so this is the bag, and I'm going to work on the other side. But anyways, you'll only need one of the straps that I'll link for you to purchase, and my husband actually cut it in two for me, just long ways. So where I attach the straps, you'll see a full double crochet here, a full double crochet here. Then they'll have the first row that has two double crochet, that has just double crochets. For those rows, that's where I'm putting my strap. And I'm just going to peek at the front part for reference, but it's just barely, it's on the last row, and it's barely over row of single crochet. All right, so it's barely there, right? And I'm going to turn this around, and I'm going to put my strap here so I can kind of have like a rough estimate of where I need to punch my hole. I don't think anyone is going to be looking up close at my hole for my bag, so I'm not like too worried. So you're going to take this handy device, and you're going to turn it okay, you're going to turn it where the hole size that you want to punch is 2 point focus. Yes, it's 2.5. Okay, so we're going to take that, and this is personal preference, but I also cut my strap with a little curve, but it's up to you if you want to do that or not. Before you actually punch through it, let me just say it doesn't matter which side, both sides are pretty much the same, okay? Make sure I see that dot. And I'm gonna make another dot, right? I should probably do it for the other side. I'm going to take this out, and I'm also going to take this out, because these are what we'll be using to secure our rivets. Okay, so there's two sizes in here, and I'm taking out the longest ones. There's also two sizes for this, and I'm taking out the largest one. Whoop, where'd it go? Here. All right. Let's skip back. All right. So now that we have them all clipped on, what you're going to do now is get this, put it underneath one of them. You're going to put this tool on top. Make sure this portion that kind of looks sunken in is on the top top, and then this part that's kind of like flat and smooth is what you'll be hitting. Okay. Oops. Okay, so this keeps slipping. Let me adjust it this way. Okay, I'm coming, baby. Okay. I was a little bit timid on that one because I don't want to smash my other finger, but the camera's shaking. So you have to give it like a really good whack. Okay, this bad boy is sturdy. Okay guys, so you get the point. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you hit that thumbs up button if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. The full written pattern will be linked down below. I'll also link the video where I go over everything in the pattern. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Happy summer!